In this video, I want to show you how you actually use the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 to get good footage when you're out filming. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I want to get some shots of the Jeep parked next to this Joshua tree. So there's some different modes that you have access to on the gimbal itself. So you have pan follow, you have FPV, spin shot, and you have pan tilt follow. So essentially, with pan tilt follow, the camera is going to follow. So you go down, the camera's going to follow you down. You go up, the camera's going to follow you up. Same with left and right. Now in pan follow mode, if you go up and down, the camera stays completely level, but it'll still turn left and right. In FPV mode, all the axes are unlocked. So you can go down, up by tilting, you can pan left and right, and then you can also roll the camera so you get this kind of axis shifting. And then you have spin shot, which you could use the joystick and the camera's gonna spin in a circle. So you create this cool like spinny effect. So let's do a couple of these moves here with my Jeep. Let's put it into pan tilt follow. And I'm gonna start down on the ground and then I'm gonna come up and reveal the Jeep. So with the pan tilt follow, you can create these dynamic shots where you're kind of moving and the camera's gonna follow you everywhere that you go, but it keeps that horizon completely level. Now I'm gonna switch over to pan follow, and this is a mode that I like to use all the time. And I'm just gonna create an arc around my Jeep, showing the landscape in the distance. So I'll double tap to recenter, start here, and work my way back, kind of revealing the scene of where we're at. Now, if you want to do the FPV, it creates a little bit more dynamics with the shot. So I might start up high and kind of roll down into the scene, revealing the Jeep and where it's at, and then I can move around it with this arcing motion. So these four modes are on the M button. However, at any point in any of these modes, you can hold the trigger button, and if you press and hold, it creates a lock mode. So no matter what you do with the gimbal, the camera's gonna stay completely stable. And you tap once on the gimbal and it starts your tracking. So let's press and hold, use the lock mode. I wanna lock in this direction, and we're just gonna walk down the Jeep, creating a super stable shot that's like a dolly or a slider. If you want to watch the full beginner's guide on how to use your DJI Osmo Mobile 7 or 7P, make sure you click this video right here. I'll see you on the next one.